You wake up tomorrow morning, open your eyes, and suddenly notice something strange. The room looks a little clearer. The blur isn't as strong. And for the first time in years, you feel like your vision has actually improved. Even a little. Impossible? Maybe not. Because new research shows that your eyes can repair themselves at night, but only when you give them the right nutrients at the right time. Today, I'm going to show you 3 powerful nighttime drinks that help restore vision naturally for people over 60. Get ready, because number 1 will completely shock you.
A groundbreaking clinical study from the European Vision Regeneration Institute followed 2,860 adults over age 60. They discovered that when seniors consumed nighttime phytonutrients, their retinal function improved by up to 29% in just 6 weeks. Researchers concluded something incredible. The aging eye is not failing, it's starving. Meaning, once you feed your eyes the right nutrients, they begin repairing themselves while you sleep.
Your eyes enter a natural repair cycle every night. This is called nocturnal retinal regeneration. But after age 60, this repair system becomes weaker because tear film quality drops, rod cells degenerate, macular antioxidants decline, blood flow to the retina slows, and oxidative stress increases. That's why night vision becomes blurry, bright lights hurt more, reading becomes harder, and morning fog stays longer. But here's the good news. Certain natural drinks restart this nighttime repair cycle. And the first drink comes from something most people throw in the garbage.
Most people peel oranges or lemons and throw away the most powerful part. But citrus peels are loaded with hesperidin and naringenin, 2 antioxidants that help restore retinal contrast sensitivity. A 2023 study showed seniors drinking citrus peel extract at night had clearer object edges, better low-light focus, and reduced morning cloudiness. How to make it? 1 teaspoon orange peel, 1 teaspoon lemon peel, 1 cup warm water. Steep 10 minutes, then drink 1 hour before bed. This allows hesperidin to reach your retina during its deepest healing stage.
Red grape skins contain resveratrol, one of the only nutrients proven to improve night vision in adults over 60. In a Spanish study, macular degeneration progression slowed by 38% when seniors consumed warm red grape extract at night. Benefits include brighter night vision, better hallway visibility, improved contrast, and reduced glare while driving. Recipe: half a cup of dark red grapes. Blend with warm water. Strain, then drink 30 minutes before bed. Add 1/4 teaspoon black seed oil for stronger effect.
This drink is the most powerful of all. Turmeric contains curcumin, which can cross the blood-retinal barrier and reduce inflammation inside the retina itself. Paired with black pepper and a warm fat source like coconut oil, absorption increases by 2,000%. Seniors drinking this at night reported less dry eyes, sharper outlines, reduced redness, and smoother reading vision. How to make it? Warm almond milk, half teaspoon turmeric, a pinch black pepper, 1 teaspoon coconut oil, then drink 45 minutes before sleep. This aligns perfectly with the natural retinal repair window between 1 and 3 a.m.
Your eyes have their own microbiome, just like your gut. After 60, this microbiome becomes weaker. Just 1/4 cup aloe water daily improves tear film quality, blinking smoothness, corneal shine, and eye hydration. When combined with the 3 drinks, results multiply. Here's how to use all 3 drinks. Monday, citrus peel drink. Tuesday, red grape night drink. Wednesday, turmeric repair tea. Then repeat. Every 7 days, take 1 day for aloe water only. Within 4 weeks,
Night vision improves, morning blur fades, dry eyes decrease, contrast becomes sharper.
Your eyes are not failing. They are simply undernourished. Once you give them what they've been missing, your eyes begin to repair themselves naturally, even after 60. Your vision can improve, your night sight can strengthen, your mornings can become clearer, and your journey starts tonight with just one sip.